Aloe vera, nature's miracle for health and beauty. Aloe vera, often called the plant of immortality by the ancient Egyptians, is more than just a decorative houseplant. It's a natural powerhouse of healing and beauty benefits. For over 5,000 years, civilizations across Egypt, India, China, Greece, and even the Mayan culture have used aloe vera as a trusted remedy. Historical records show that Cleopatra herself used aloe vera gel as part of her daily beauty routine to maintain her radiant skin. This succulent plant belongs to the lily family and thrives in dry, tropical climates. Inside its thick green leaves is a clear, soothing gel which contains over 75 active compounds, including vitamins A, B1, B2, B3, B6, B12, C, and E, minerals, calcium, magnesium, zinc, potassium, selenium, amino acids, the building blocks of protein essential for skin and hair repair, enzymes which help reduce inflammation and aid digestion, antioxidants that fight free radicals and slow down signs of aging. The magic of aloe vera is that it can be used both internally and externally, making it incredibly versatile. Internally, aloe vera juice supports digestion, detoxification, immunity, and hydration. Externally, aloe vera gel soothes skin irritations, promotes wound healing, hydrates dry skin, and strengthens hair. Because of its naturally cooling and anti-inflammatory properties, aloe vera is often the first thing people reach for after sunburn, insect bites, or minor burns. In fact, many modern skincare products, from moisturizers to shampoos, still feature aloe vera as a main ingredient because of its proven effectiveness. Whether you're drinking it for health, applying it for beauty, or blending it into homemade remedies, aloe vera stands as one of nature's most trusted, affordable, and accessible plants. 1. Boosts skin health and healing. Aloe vera gel is one of nature's most effective skin healers. Its clear, jelly-like texture absorbs quickly into the skin, delivering deep hydration without leaving a greasy feeling. This makes it suitable for all skin types, from oily and acne-prone to dry and sensitive. One of aloe vera's most remarkable features is its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties, which can instantly calm skin discomfort. That's why it's often called a natural first aid for common skin issues. How aloe vera benefits the skin. Hydrates deeply without clogging pores. Ideal for keeping skin moisturized while letting it breathe. Soothes sunburn and redness. Its cooling effect relieves heat and speeds up skin recovery. Fights acne naturally. Contains salicylic acid and antibacterial compounds that reduce acne-causing bacteria. Reduces inflammation, helps calm swelling, itching, and irritation from eczema, rashes, or insect bites. Fades scars and blemishes. With regular use, aloe vera's regenerative enzymes encourage new cell growth, gradually lightening dark spots. Slows down skin aging. Packed with antioxidants like vitamins C, E, and beta-carotene, it helps fight free radicals, reducing wrinkles and fine lines. Beauty tip: for an overnight skin treatment, apply a thin layer of fresh aloe vera gel to your face before bed. By morning, you'll notice softer, plumper, and more refreshed skin. 2. Supports hair growth and scalp health. If you're dealing with hair loss, dandruff, or an itchy scalp, aloe vera is your best friend. Strengthens hair follicles and promotes faster growth. Removes excess oil and product buildup. Moisturizes the scalp to reduce flaking. Restores shine and softness. Tip: mix aloe vera gel with coconut oil, massage into the scalp, and leave for 30 minutes before washing. 3. Improves digestion and gut health. Drinking aloe vera juice is a simple yet powerful way to support your digestive health from the inside out. The juice, extracted from the inner gel of the aloe vera leaf, contains a unique blend of enzymes, amino acids, and natural plant compounds that work together to keep your stomach and intestines functioning smoothly. How aloe vera juice helps your digestive system: reduces acid reflux and heartburn. Aloe vera can soothe irritation in the esophagus and reduce excess stomach acid, offering gentle relief without harsh chemicals. Cleanses the intestines. Its natural detoxifying compounds help flush out waste, toxins, and harmful bacteria, keeping your gut clean and healthy. Balances stomach acidity. Aloe vera helps regulate pH levels, creating an environment that supports proper digestion and nutrient absorption. Acts as a mild laxative. It promotes smoother bowel movements, helping to relieve occasional constipation without causing dependence. Supports healthy gut flora. Aloe vera's natural sugars, known as prebiotics, help feed the beneficial bacteria in your intestines. Health tip: start with 1 to 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera juice mixed into water, fresh juice, or smoothies once a day. This gentle approach allows your body to adjust and helps you enjoy the benefits without discomfort. Note: avoid consuming aloe vera latex, the yellow layer under the leaf skin, as it can cause stomach cramps or diarrhea. Always use the clear inner gel or trusted aloe vera juice products. Before aloe vera for immunity and body defense. Aloe vera is more than just a beauty enhancer, it's also a natural immune booster. The plant contains a rich mix of polysaccharides, antioxidants, and essential vitamins that help your body fight harmful invaders and recover faster from illness. How aloe vera strengthens immunity, fights bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Its natural compounds create a hostile environment for harmful microorganisms, reducing the risk of infections. Boosts white blood cell activity. The high vitamin C content, along with zinc and other minerals, supports the immune system in detecting and destroying pathogens. Neutralizes free radicals. Aloe vera is loaded with antioxidants that help protect cells from oxidative stress, which can weaken the immune system over time. Promotes faster recovery. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce swelling, discomfort, and fatigue during illness. Wellness tip: add 1 to 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice to a glass of lemon water in the morning. This combination hydrates the body, delivers a vitamin C boost, and gently supports your immune defense. Aloe vera for weight management and detox. Aloe vera is not a magic weight loss pill, but when used alongside a healthy diet and active lifestyle, it can be a powerful natural support for reaching your goals. Its rich enzyme content helps improve the way your body breaks down fats and sugars, while its hydrating properties keep your metabolism running efficiently. How aloe vera supports weight loss and detox. Boosts metabolism. Aloe vera contains compounds that help your body burn calories more effectively. Aids digestion. By keeping your digestive system clean and balanced, aloe vera prevents bloating and supports regular bowel movements. Reduces water retention. Its natural diuretic effect helps flush out excess fluids and toxins. Keeps you full and hydrated. Aloe vera juice is low in calories but high in hydration, helping to curb unnecessary snacking. Improves nutrient absorption. A healthy gut can absorb vitamins and minerals better, supporting overall energy levels. Weight loss tip: blend 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with cucumber, lemon, and a small piece of ginger for a refreshing morning detox drink. Note: aloe vera should be used in moderation for weight loss. Overconsumption can cause digestive discomfort, so stick to safe daily amounts. 6. Aloe vera for detoxification and overall wellness. One of aloe vera's most valuable health benefits is its ability to help the body detoxify naturally. The gel inside its leaves contains unique enzymes and plant compounds that work like a gentle internal cleanser, helping remove waste and harmful toxins from the digestive tract. How aloe vera helps with detox. Breaks down toxins. The enzymes in aloe vera assist in breaking down and neutralizing waste products that can build up in the body. Flushes out impurities. Aloe vera's natural hydration helps move toxins through the intestines and out of the body efficiently. Supports liver function. A healthy liver is essential for detoxification, and aloe vera's antioxidants help protect it from oxidative damage. Improves skin clarity. When the body is cleansed from within, it often shows on the outside as clearer, brighter skin. Boosts energy levels. By removing excess waste, the body can use energy more efficiently, therefore reducing feelings of fatigue. Detox tip: add 1 to 2 tablespoons of aloe vera juice to your morning green smoothie or a glass of warm lemon water. How to use aloe vera. 1. For skin, apply fresh gel directly or mix with honey, turmeric or lemon juice for masks. 2. For hair, mix gel with coconut or castor oil, apply to scalp and hair. 3. For health, drink aloe vera juice diluted with water, lemon or smoothies. Important note: pregnant or breastfeeding women and individuals with chronic health conditions should consult a doctor before consuming aloe vera internally. Always remove the yellow latex layer beneath the leaf skin before use. Conclusion and call to action. Aloe vera truly is one of nature's most versatile gifts, nourishing your skin, strengthening your hair, boosting digestion, supporting immunity, aiding in weight management, and gently detoxifying your body. Remember, consistency is key. Use aloe vera regularly and you'll start to see and feel the difference. Question of the day: how do you like to use aloe vera for your skin, hair, or health? Share your tips in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips.